Okay. You guys, we're gonna capture the flag. You guys are starting in the room over there. Okay? That's your respawn. Do not move the blue hopper, the paintball hopper. Blue, it's in between the tire stacks. Do not move it. That's where it stays. That is your flag. You must protect it. We're pretty much just protect it. Okay, you guys get 2 lives. So you die, you come back, you die, you're done. Got it?
Got it.
Okay?
You sit in this room and the dead?
Yeah. If you're completely dead, sit along the wall. Okay.
Fun.
Okay? This time this game.
Okay, I want a team of 4 to move around that hallway. I want everybody else covering this way.
We got 2 lives, man.
What?
So we got 2 lives. Probably almost smart not to really play the waiting game, but get good spots. You know they're gonna be right across.
I'm saying,
you know they're gonna come.
Well, yeah, well, that's what I'm saying is if we get some.
They're all the way over in that big white room.
Yeah. If we have some stay here and we have a couple just go up, we can take them out and then we can move up.
We should just sit here and take them all out one by one. So just.
Well, they're not gonna do that because they're gonna play the same game. You have to
exactly.
Somewhere.
So I said,
I'll follow you.
Okay. Yeah. How about
spots?
Just a couple of us? You guys won't follow us?
Where are we going?
We're just going down that hallway. We need other people staying here with this one.
Is that red hall again?
Yeah, we're going down that hall again.
I'll do that.
Okay, you guys good?
Me, man.
You're coming with us.
I say you want us to follow.
Yeah, if we're taking that hallway, you got.
Yeah.
This would be invaluable in the hallway.
Yeah. Okay, you know, screw this little piece of shit.
Yeah, it's from my M16 actually.
And now he's using the shotgun. Alright, if we're taking that room, we're gonna do it quick.
Yeah,
I got
You guys, flow right. I'm gonna run out here left. I'm gonna hook. That way I can see if they're running through that doorway.
Okay. So you just want straight to go this way?
You guys go the normal way. I'm gonna hook out here, come around and see if any of them run through.
Yeah.
Gotta make it fucking quick. I'll die out here.
Okay.
Who's taking that way?
Everybody else
Over
basically.
here, so I'm hoping they're gonna cover it.
Yeah, I'm gonna speak with them real quick. Heads up. Hey guys. Okay, I don't know if you're Mr. Chief here. Okay, well, what we've got these guys. We're gonna go around that way just to push them back there because they're gonna probably go this way fastest. So if you just haul ass this way and just keep them from coming either way, so we can take them out either way.
Sure.
If you guys okay.
Everybody listen up.
They're good with that way.
Okay, let's right in the store so we can sprint. We're start.
Hi.
Okay, everybody hear me?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, you guys are starting in this room. Got it?
Yeah.
When you guys die, you're respawning in the corner over there.
Okay.
Okay? When you are completely dead, you die, live, die, you're completely dead, okay? You guys are gonna sit along the wall right here, okay?
Oh, this wall,
So that
okay.
way you guys don't keep getting shot.
This wall?
Got it?
Yeah, this wall right here.
This one right here. The one with that exit sign on it.
Roger.
Okay?
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Got it.
Alright.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah. You guys got it all good? Okay, we all know what we're doing? Everybody, yeah, just kind of scoot in here real quick. Just scoot in a little bit so he doesn't call it or anything. Okay.
Got him.
Yeah, okay, heads up.
Actually, you guys roll first.
Yeah, so yeah, we're rolling first, so.
For me, it's 3 man here. Go.
Shit, that scared me. Big choke! Ow! Hit like a motherfucker. Ow! Not a safety kill. Ow!
You still got someone in that room?
Yeah, there's still somebody. Dead man walking. Ow! God damn it, that hurt like a motherfucker. Holy shit, that hurt. What are you doing back here? Oh.
Guessing that's a hit.
Oh. Oh. What are you doing? Respond. I gotta jump off real quick. Oh. Run. Go back up there. They need you.
We'll go in.
Really? Oh. Let's go. Blue team moving up. Blue team moving up. Blue team. Blue team. Blue team. Blue team. Blue team. Blue team. Blue team.
Probably right there.
Oh. We need your grenade guy.
I don't know where I'm gonna get him.
I'm gonna go get him. Watch my ass, okay? Grenade guy. Where's grenade guy?
Over there.
Hey. Hey, M203. We need you down in this hallway now.
Okay.
We got grenade guy. Okay. Heads up right around this corner. They're literally right here. Right around this corner.
Should I pop it up to them?
Vince, where you at, boy? Vince. We got grenade guy.
Where? This one?
Where is he?
Hallway. Our guy was coach.
Oh shit. I'm out. You're hit?
Yeah.
Did you get anybody?
I don't know. Probably
Yeah, you had to have gotten someone with that. They don't call it though.
So, there's a guy right in this hallway.
Huh?
There's a guy right in this hallway, right here. But if you can get him out, you can go all the way around.
Can I get over there?
Look, there's a guy in that hallway right over there. Right in that hallway.
And down the long hallway?
I think so, but I think he's right around this corner. If he didn't call a hit, because I got him with my pistol, I think. But watch your ass.
Watch that.
Hey, Vince. Vince. Would I be able to make it if I just hauled ass and slid behind that door like that? Around the hallway. M203. Huh? I'm calling M203. What? Hey. Vince. Can I run across? Where is he?
I know you're out.
Doctor.
I know you're out.
Get your ass.
Yes. Get in.
Okay. There's a guy with a flashlight all the way down at the end of the hall with this covering it. It's just his head up. Watch out. He's dead. You can't shoot him. Are you dead? Is there anybody else in there with you so we don't shoot them? What? Are there other people in there with you dead?
There's 2 others.
Okay. Hey, you go up. Hey. You just go up. You go up. Go up. Keep an eye on the doorway. Keep an eye on the doorway. Are you dead?
Yeah, they're all dead.
Sit down. Like, stop moving, in other words.
There's this hallway. No, there's one right here, you guys.
Holy shit, is that Blue? Yeah, hi. How's it going? Come here, we got this hallway secured. Okay, there's some guys right down this hallway. Use your grenade launcher.
I'm getting around, buddy.
There's a guy right there.
Hit.
Okay.
This is not good.
Yeah, you're not dead yet. I heard
We
that.
are dead. Do not shoot us.
It's not like we're trying, buddy. Sorry.
Shout out to your pop in the corner. Is he finally dead or is he gonna stay down?
Our death, so.
Walk around the side.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Safety.
Are you dead, Safety, buddy? We are way outnumbering you. Have a seat, pal.
I need to reload. I'm dead. This is my second life. I'm dead.
So have a seat, buddy. Just laid.
Okay, so go.
Okay.
I was gonna get you guys if I didn't run out of ammo.
Sit, and you weren't using 3-round burst.
What?
We heard your bullets. We're not deaf.
Dude,
Who shot me?
Hey, are you recording?
What?
You recording?
Yeah.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Hey, drop someone on this door. Hey.
Oh, God! Okay, let's try to Wow. Let's get him. Hey!
Dead. Hey, safety kill, pal. Safety kill. Get back. Hey, we need one more person. One more person right here. They're right here. Hey, Vince, hey, we need somebody right here. Where is it? Yeah, exactly. So don't tell us what to do then, asshole.
Don't shoot me.
Okay.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
To the car, since I'm already dead.
Holy,
Right. There's someone right here.
holy shit, I'm hit. Right in the head. Hit. I'm hit, calm down.
Thank you.
Right there.
Turn around and watch that door. Watch that door.
No, I'm hit.
Not you.
Oh. I'm hit. And I'm gonna spawn. Sorry.
Go get him.
Oh,
I haven't paid Tyler.
Yeah.
You know, we have him pinned in that white room where there's sitting on the wall, and the other ones are pinned over there.
yeah, I know. It's one guy shot me. That's how I got out. What's up?
Well, my son just shot me in the back.
Oh, what a backstabber. Or back shooter, one of the two.
Alright.
Watch out.
Okay, I'm moving up, guys. I'm here, Trey. I'm here.
Put the gun down.
So sit down, pal.
Sit down. We got that. Move through.
You guys dead?
Yeah, guys.
Hey.
No, I'm not gonna. Hopefully you don't.
Safety kill.
I had
No.
up on you.
Okay, alright.
Trust me.
Alright, no, I trust you. That's why I'm going out. Wait, I'm going to switch. Hey, nice job, by the way. What's up? Are you dead?
Wait, you're in. Oh, never mind. I'm like, didn't you just shoot me?
No.
You don't have a flashlight, do you?
No. I wish. Well, yeah, I'm out twice. I'm done.
Yep.
Some guy did a lock on me, so I was like, alright, whatever.
How are we doing?
Oh, we're... Almost everybody is out there. There's 2 people left.
Nice. They're just like,
I got 2
last
of them.
stand.
Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna take a chill by you, though. Oh, damn it. My finger hurts.
Man, I'm like so stoked for the full auto round. Ouch. Right in the fingernail, huh? Game!
Game?
Yippee-ki-yay! Man, why did I not bring my cowboy hat?
Oh. My finger hurts so bad right now. Oh, my finger.
You just went straight in for it.
We were going after a